Schaffert Manufacturing, 40 years of solutions. Our 4-link closer is a parallel linkage closing system that doubles the up and down travel over standard OEM designs, eliminating bounce on the row units. The G-Series walking beam can be added to both the 4-link and the OEM tail sections for better furrow closing efficiency. 2x2 fertilizer options are also available. The Mohawk, Zipper, and Chicken Track closing wheels are uniquely designed to stitch the seed furrow shut using less down pressure for better closure. The all-cast wheels also reduce mud buildup and don't wrap in heavy residue compared to the other spike closing wheels. The Chicken Tracker is also available as a gauge wheel. The Rebounder, using a patented concave design, guides your seeds to the bottom of the furrow on planters and drills, while also applying fertilizer, insecticides, or inoculants. With our custom-built liquid fertilizer systems for any planter or drill using simple manual controls or high-tech GPS systems that work with our rebounders and other attachments. We machine out sloppy gauge wheel arms on planters, adding sealed bearings that won't bind, letting you run less down pressure and reducing wear. Current OEM opener blades are not built heavy enough. Our B-tone blades address this problem with heavier bearings and housings lasting 35% longer. Our STP blades eliminate sidewall compaction and furrow, promoting larger root mass and increased yield. Visit our website or call us today.